Hey guys, this is Nick with PhoneArena, and at MWC 2018 I got to see the new Nokia 6. This phone takes all that made the Nokia 6 from last year so good and adds things like a faster processor, an upgraded camera and fast charging. As the previous model, the new Nokia 6 feels solid in the hand. It is made of metal and has flat sides, while the color accents here and there add some variety and character. One thing to note is that the fingerprint scanner is now at the back of the phone. The Nokia 6 may not be the best looking smartphone ever, but the display sure looked good during the demo session. This here is a standard 16:9 display. It isn't one of those extra tall 18:9 displays that you might find on other phones. There's a Snapdragon 630 chip inside this phone, which is powerful enough for a phone of this category. The Android One user experience is super light and clean, with practically zero bloatware, so it comes as no surprise that the UI was fast and responsive during the testing. One of the very few software changes that HMD made was to include its own camera application. It lets you shoot both with the front and the back cameras at the same time, with this feature called Bothy. And with the Pro mode, you can manually adjust things like the shutter speed, ISO, focus and white balance. Overall, the Nokia 6 could be a great phone at a great price, but it has one downside. It is still several months away from launching. It will cost a bit over $300 when it's out in May, but competition in the space is surely going to be more intense than it is now. And this was our quick first look at the new Nokia 6. Thanks for watching guys, and check out our website phonearena.com for more news from MWC 2018.